See in 100 seconds user input. Scanf reads input from the user. You tell it the format, and it fills in your variable. Declare an int, prompt the user, then scanf with %d reads a number. The ampersand gives scanf the memory address. Without it, scanf doesn't know where to put the value. Print it back. The number came in from stdin and landed in the variable. Scanf works with strings too. %s reads one word into a char array. No ampersand needed here, because an array name is already an address. Pipe both inputs with echo, 25 for age, Alice for name. You are 25 years old. Hello, Alice. Scanf handled both. Next up, fgets, the safer way to read strings.